Do you ever feel like your salary disappears as soon as it arrives? What if you could make your money work for you instead of the other way around? In today's video, we'll share practical and proven strategies to take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Stay with us as we explore the secrets to smarter money management. Welcome to Snapping Growth. Let's get started. Your salary isn't just meant for paying bills. It's a powerful tool to help you build the life you want. By learning how to manage your income wisely, you can escape the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and start paving the way to financial independence. Let's dive into the 10 powerful steps through which you can make your salary work for you. Firstly, create a budget. Know where your money goes. Start by tracking your income and expenses. A budget helps you see exactly where your money is going and ensures you're spending in alignment with your goals. For example, use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or investments. This simple framework helps you prioritize financial health. Secondly, pay yourself. First, prioritize savings. Before spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your salary for savings. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. For example, automatically transfer 20% of your income to a savings or investment account. Over time, this habit builds a strong financial foundation. Thirdly, build an emergency fund. Be prepared. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund can prevent financial stress when unexpected expenses arise. For example, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This cushion provides peace of mind and stability. Fourth step is simply invest for the future. Grow your money. Savings alone won't make you wealthy. You need to invest to grow your wealth over time. For example, explore options like mutual funds, index funds, or stocks. If you're new to investing, start with small amounts and learn as you go. Fifth step is to cut unnecessary expenses. Focus on value. Identify areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing quality of life. For example, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home instead of eating out, or find affordable alternatives for everyday purchases. On sixth, we should try to increase your income, boost your earnings. Look for ways to earn more, whether through side hustles, freelancing, or upskilling in your current job. For example, use your weekends to pursue a passion project or learn a high-demand skill like coding or graphic design to increase your value in the job market. Now, on seventh step is that we had to set financial goals. Know your why. Clear goals give you direction and motivation. Whether it's saving for a home, starting a business, or retiring early, having a purpose for your money keeps you focused. For example, write down your short-term and long-term financial goals and revisit them regularly to stay on track. By budgeting, saving, investing, and staying focused on your goals, you can take charge of your finances and create a brighter future. That's it for today's guide on how to make your salary work for you. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here at Snapping Growth. Don't forget to comment below and share your favorite money management tip. Thank you for watching. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep building your financial freedom.